What's up, everybody? It's me, Michael McCune, coming at you with another video. Today is 31 Days of Horror, day 14, and these next ones are going to be slashers. So, except for one of them is going to be on Halloween, and but this one is a really, really, really good horror film. I actually mentioned this horror film to my buddy, but I don't know if he saw it yet, but I'm sure if he watches this video, um, you'll probably know who I'm talking to, and that's Dead Birds. This ain't a slasher film; it's a ghost film. It's a ghost film out in the west. It's a western ghost film. That's what it is. And oh my god, it's such a gem. It is one of the best ghost films, scary, creepy ghost films out there. It is so good. It's just, there are worse things than dying. Yeah. So, recently imaging generally suspenseful supernatural horror movie. So it's when a group of criminals on the run after a bank robbery take refuge in an abandoned house. They have no idea what evil they have come upon, isolated and presumed deserted, and the house is anything but safe. As the night wears on and a thunderstorm growls outside, each member of the group begins to have visions of the accessories occurred within the house, haunting it forever. Voices in the well, visions of mangled bodies and clawing under the stairs plague their waking hours as the fear in the group begins to grow. Supernatural forces in the house start to manifest themselves. They begin to turn on each other and exact the wraith of the souls trapped within the walls. So that's what it's about. Yeah, that's what happens when when you're bank robbers and you don't know what you're doing. You don't know what you're fucking with. This is what they get. So yeah, they start turning on each other because of the evil in the house makes them evil. So it makes them turn on each other. So that's the front. Their case is a little fucked up, but the cover, yeah, but really good shape. That's all I care about. That's the front. This is the back. Look at that creepy guy right here. Imagine seeing that in your fucking nightmares, man. Just imagine seeing that face. That is one ugly son of a bitch. Like, I'm not even kidding. Um, what year did this come? 2005. This came out. Wow. Um, it's 91 minutes, hour, hour and a half, something. Um, the English in the New Year's Evil. That's what the for the audio. So yeah. But yeah, Dead Birds, really good ghost film. They need to make so much more ghost horror films out, like in the western type ghost films. They need to make lots more because this is. I'm actually gonna look for some more, and I'm gonna try to get some if there even exists. But this is definitely one that's really like 10 out of 10, definitely. And it's a gem, like I said. A lot of these films I've been doing are horror gems. So if you don't know what you're watching, or if you don't know what to watch, check these videos out, man. I'm telling you, I'm giving you game. I'm giving you free movies here to check, see if they're on Netflix, Hulu, Tubi, HBO Max, all these streaming services, Peacock, Paramount Plus, all these streaming services. Try to find it on there, and if it's not on there, even Shudder, check Shudder out. And if it's not on there, then you have to buy the DVD. Or if you can find it on cable, on demand, or something like that. I don't know, do they even have demand anymore? I don't even think so. But it might be on TV, on your TV, cable, but definitely worth checking out. 10 out of 10. Highly recommend you watch this film. Next film's coming up. Please like and subscribe for more. Peace out.